Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Grammar, your friendly English learning podcast. Today's episode is episode 4, and it is one of the most useful real-life topics ever. We are talking about English at the market and shop.
Yes, because everyone goes to the market. You buy vegetables, fruits, clothes, groceries, snacks, everything. But when English is involved, many people panic.
Don't worry. Today, we will fix that. We will use very simple English, funny stories, real conversations, easy practice. And by the end of this episode, you will feel confident speaking English at any shop or market.
And before we start, quick reminder. Do like this episode, share it with friends, and subscribe to Miss Grammar so you never miss an episode.
Section 1, Basic Market Vocabulary.
Let's start with very basic words. Please repeat after me. Speak out loud. Market. Shop. Shopkeeper. Customer. Price. Cheap. Expensive. Money. Cash. Card. Bag.
Good. These words are like your shopping tools. You will use them again and again.
Section 2. Funny Story 1. Alex and the Banana Confusion.
Okay, time for our first funny story. Alex went to a fruit market. He wanted to buy bananas. He confidently said to the shopkeeper, "Can I have 1 banana kilo?"
I mixed everything. My brain said one thing, my mouth said another.
The shopkeeper looked confused and asked, 1 banana or 1 kilo? Alex replied, yes.
That was my biggest mistake.
The shopkeeper gave him 1 banana, just 1, single, alone.
I paid, I left, I accepted my fate.
What we learn from this story.
Correct sentences are, can I have 1 kilo of bananas? Can I have 1 banana? 1 banana kilo is confusing.
Practice. Repeat after me. Can I have 1 kilo of bananas? Can I have half a kilo of apples? Can I have 2 kilos of potatoes?
Excellent. You sound like a smart customer already.
Section 3. Asking the price.
Now let's learn how to ask the price. Very easy sentence. How much is this?
You can also say, how much are these?
Example conversation.
How much is this apple?
It's 100 rupees per kilo.
Oh, that's expensive.
I can give discount.
Practice. Repeat after me. How much is this? How much are these? That's cheap. That's expensive.
Section 4. Funny Story 2. The Extra Zero Disaster.
Now my turn again. Another market disaster. I bought tomatoes. The price was 100, but I accidentally paid 1,000.
What?
Yes, I added an extra zero. My heart also added tears.
Did you get extra tomatoes?
No, I got extra sadness.
What we learn from this story.
Important sentences. Sorry, I gave extra money. Can you please check? This is too much.
Practice. Repeat after me. Sorry, I gave extra money. Please check the price. Can you return my change?
Shopping English.
Being polite is very important. Instead of just saying, give me this, say, can I have this, please? I would like this.
Polite English equals friendly English.
Example.
I would like this shirt, please.
Sure. What size do you want?
Practice. Repeat after me. I would like this. Can I have this, please? Thank you. You're welcome.
Section 6. Funny Story 3. Luna and the Wrong Size.
Now, my embarrassing story. I bought a shirt without checking the size. At home, I tried it. It looked like a baby shirt.
You bought emotional damage.
Yes, I learned a lesson.
Useful sentences. Do you have a bigger size? This is too small. This is too big. Can I change this?
Practice. Repeat after me. This is too small. Do you have a bigger size? Can I change this? Amazing job! You have learned how to ask for items, how to ask prices, how to avoid banana mistakes, how to be polite at the market.
And we are not finished yet. More funny stories, bargaining English, and full conversations are coming.
Before we continue, remember to like, share, and subscribe to